For anyone who is involved in the energy sector, uninterrupted supply is of vital importance. Reliable electricity supply starts with reliable components. Testing components critically and independently is an essential step in development and production. This is what Kema does, with its clients throughout the entire world, testing according to the highest standards. And if everything goes well, the client is entitled to a Kema certificate, the key to your market. Kema works on quality at various points in the life cycle of products. In the development stage, we're involved in research testing. But later, too, in the production stage, when production is already in full swing, Kema gets involved when problems arise. And often Kema is also brought in when products have failed in operation. Kema conducts a technical analysis. What went wrong? Kema T&D Testing Services performs tests in 4 different ways. First of all, in our own laboratories. We are the world leader in the field of high power and high voltage testing. Our facilities are unique and offer opportunities to simulate very extreme but realistic situations. Secondly, in the laboratories of manufacturers or third parties, where our inspectors are able to attend both type testing and quality monitoring testing. And thirdly, our mobile test equipment installed on trucks, making measurements and tests on your network, because the product is often already in operation. Finally, we have remote testing. Kema takes measurements online with the component in full operation. A brilliant reputation. Orders come from throughout the world, 50% from outside Europe. Kema attributes this to the high standards which we employ. For certain analyses, high-tech test facilities are sent to the site. Sometimes larger components are transported to the labs in the Netherlands for inspection. There's always a solution. The criteria are strict. Every test concludes with a very detailed technical test, inspection or other report. These are Kema's real products. We seek out the boundaries. Sometimes the supplier wants to know the limits of his product. Important information for the manufacturer, which he takes back to the factory with him. When a test is successful and the client's product fulfills the standards, then the famous certificate is issued and the market opens up to you. Kema prides itself on its high international standards. This also goes for the Transmission, Distribution and Test Service Unit, an authority which thinks ahead. This can be seen from the standards the tests are based on. They're very extensive and take into account the most critical conditions. So if you're awarded a certificate, you've got a rock-solid product on your hands. A universal product.
유럽의 대부분의 나라들이 케마 인증을 원하고 있습니다. 대부분의 고객들이.
We've been working with Kema for a number of years because the criteria are very strict and the certificates are internationally recognized.
The value for us is to get documents which we can use for our sales department, that the salespeople can sell all our products all over the world without any problems.
Kema gains the trust of clients. That brings responsibility. Market-sensitive information is guaranteed to stay in-house. Here, we give meaning to international standards. Kema also provides training, custom-made or in project form, born from experience and know-how. The certificates are coveted. Working on the future, Kema always tries to be ahead of its time. Unique tests are performed here. The test methods are innovative. Kema developed the partial discharges measuring method. Expensive and important systems are analyzed whilst in full operation. No downtime. Up to date, with sites in Europe and the United States. People who are educated to a high level and frequently trained. Ready to be of service to the client.